When you're fastening to cinder block and you want more than just a Tapcon, you want something more beefier like an anchor, you're going to want to use a sleeve anchor. They're designed specifically for hollow wall applications. You can see how they work. Basically, there's a taper on the end of the stud there, and as you tighten it up, this sleeve expands out and grabs outwardly like that. So you just snug them up. So they're available with hex head, flathead countersunk as well. Simple to install. For instance, this is a 1/2 inch sleeve anchor. We've drilled a 1/2 inch hole to match the size of the sleeve anchor, and we're just going to simply push it in, and then we're going to cinch that up until that wing starts opening. I'll show you that in a minute here as we get tight. There. You can see how that does that. That's going to expand out, giving you a good fastening there. So that's a nice way to do it when you want a little more grab than just something you'd get with a Tapcon anchor or something like that. Again, you'll want to use the right diameter. A bigger diameter, obviously, it's going to hold more, and the proper length too. For your 3/8 sleeve anchors, you're going to want to be approximately 1.5, 1 3/4 for your 5/8 and 1/2 inch, and a little deeper for your 3/4. So there you have it. An excellent anchor to use in hollow block, cinder block, and brick applications. There's a link below to our website where the product is available at constructionfastening.net.